Elliot's got a fish on here. We're just getting going right by the island. Oh yeah, he's got a dandy there. June 15th. Just looking for a little snack. That's all we're after. Holy cow. Holy cow. That's a nice walleye. That's a nice walleye. Good eater. Yeah, way to go there. All right. Caught that on a Fire Tiger wrap. What do you think about this Rainy Lake, Elliot?
It's great.
All right, hold up that fish. There we go, we'll get this. He's not hooked very bad. We'll get her out. There we go, hold her up. Look at the golden color of that fish. It's about a, I bet you it's about a 17-incher, and nice job, Elliot. Rainy Lake, yep. June 15th, man.